Welcome to Jupyter AI. Coding by hand, where you use your 10 fingers to write every line of code manually, is becoming obsolete. And coding notebooks, including those that we use on the deep learning.ai site, have to evolve away from that to using AI to code for you. Together with Granger, who is co-founder of Project Jupyter, I'm delighted to introduce Jupyter AI. You'll be able to use it on the deep learning.ai site or on your own computer by running the open source Jupyter locally. Jupyter Notebooks are a workhorse of AI development, of data science, and also used for teaching AI by deep learning.ai. Moving it forward to the AI coding era will be an important step for our field. So I'm thrilled to be teaching this with you, Brian.
Thank you, Andrew. When we created the IPython notebook in 2011 and later rebranded it as the Jupyter Notebook in 2014, we did so with the mission of creating a community-driven, open-source ecosystem of tools for data science, scientific research, and education. Jupyter Notebooks have long been the default prototyping environment for this type of work, but it turns out that most of the AI coding assistants that have emerged in the last couple of years have struggled to function well in a Jupyter Notebook environment. And so we built Jupyter AI, which is an open source framework that is purpose-built to integrate AI into Jupyter Notebooks and Jupyter Lab.
Jupyter AI can help you write code, let you ask questions about code, and so on, tasks you might already be familiar with from other AI coding tools. But it is deeply integrated into Jupyter Notebooks and can also do things that other coding assistants struggle with today. For example, you can generate new cells in your notebook directly from the chat, or drag a cell to the chat and ask questions about the code, or drag a cell with markdown instructions and use that to generate code. You can also use it to debug errors in your notebook or attach additional context for the LLM. Jupyter AI is an AI coding assistant. It's also a brainstorming partner, a collaboration platform, and a great tool for learning.
That's right. And so in this course, you'll see how easy it is to build out AI and data science workflows from scratch using Jupyter AI.
It is important that notebooks make the transition from coding by hand to coding with AI. If you use code notebooks and want to learn to navigate this transition, or if you want to learn how to use coding notebooks but in a modern way, please take this course.